All right, guys and gals, have you ever wondered about doing laundry on the cruise ship? Well, all right, guys and gals, we're inside the little laundry room. This is for the guests. You can wash, dry, iron your clothes. Now, it does require you to pay a fee if you did not bring soap. Well, all right, guys and gals, if you ever decide to do your laundry while on board, well, you can do it yourself. Easy peasy. Use that good old sell and sign card, purchase your soap, to purchase your time on the machines. Nothing to it but to do it, right?